Want to wake up every day feeling energized, refreshed, and ready to take on the world, while also giving your kidneys the care they deserve? In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 kidney-boosting drinks you should start every morning with. These drinks aren't just trendy, they're rooted in powerful science and ancient wellness practices. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our weekly videos packed with powerful health insights. Let's get right into it. 1. Lemon water, a citrusy detox powerhouse. Start your day with a glass of warm water and freshly squeezed lemon. This simple drink flushes toxins, supports digestion, and helps prevent kidney stones due to the citric acid content. It's a gentle detox that sets the tone for a clean, hydrated day. Just squeeze half a lemon into warm water and drink it before breakfast. 2. Cranberry juice, natural urinary tract protector. Unsweetened cranberry juice is a potent kidney supporter. It's known for preventing urinary tract infections and protecting the urinary system by stopping bacteria from clinging to the bladder walls. Just half a cup in the morning can make a big difference. Just be sure to choose 100% pure cranberry juice, no added sugar. 3. Beetroot juice, nitrate-rich renal support. Beetroot is loaded with antioxidants and nitrates that enhance blood flow and reduce inflammation. Drinking beet juice a few times a week in the morning can support kidney filtration and boost overall detoxification. Mix half a cup of beet juice with water to soften the flavor and enjoy its energizing kick. If you're loving these natural health tips so far, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with a friend who's ready to start their mornings right. 4. Dandelion tea, herbal diuretic for kidney function. Dandelion tea isn't just an old folk remedy. It's a scientifically backed diuretic that helps your kidneys eliminate waste and excess salt through urine. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root in hot water, and drink it first thing in the morning to give your kidneys a gentle boost. 5. Ginger tea, anti-inflammatory and detoxifying. Ginger tea is a powerful anti-inflammatory drink that not only aids digestion, but also helps your kidneys work more efficiently. Ginger reduces oxidative stress and promotes circulation. Make it with freshly sliced ginger or powdered ginger, and add lemon or honey for a flavor and detox boost. 6. Green tea, antioxidant shield for kidneys. Green tea is rich in catechins, antioxidants that protect your kidneys from damage and enhance their function. Drinking 1 or 2 cups of brewed green tea daily supports healthy filtration and overall kidney vitality. Avoid bottled or sweetened versions. Stick to fresh brews for best results. And hey, if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss a natural wellness tip again. 7. Celery juice, hydrating and alkalizing. Celery juice is hydrating, alkalizing, and helps flush out toxins from the kidneys and liver. It's high in potassium and magnesium, both essential for kidney health. Juice 2 or 3 celery stalks and drink on an empty stomach in the morning for maximum benefits. 8. Watermelon juice, cooling and kidney cleansing. Watermelon juice is not only refreshing, it's also packed with water and L-citrulline, which helps improve kidney blood flow and promote detoxification. Blend fresh watermelon chunks and drink chilled. It's especially perfect during warmer seasons to help you stay hydrated and support kidney function. 9. Nettle tea. Natural kidney tonic. Nettle tea increases urine output while replenishing essential minerals, making it a fantastic kidney tonic. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and drink it in the morning for a gentle cleanse and immune boost. 10. Cucumber mint water. Cooling and refreshing. For a refreshing twist, prepare cucumber mint water the night before. Cucumber is hydrating and contains anti-inflammatory properties, while mint soothes the digestive system and adds a clean taste. Drink this first thing in the morning, especially during hot weather, to keep your kidneys cool and functional. There you have it, 10 powerful drinks to kickstart your mornings and support kidney health naturally. Incorporating even just a few of these into your morning routine can make a massive difference in how you feel throughout the day. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another healthy living tip. And of course, share this with a friend who's ready to take their health to the next level. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and give your kidneys the love they deserve. Thanks for watching.